day everyone! We are the Group 9 and this time, we will present our project entitled Hotel and Resto in Batangas. And as what the title says, our project is about the hotel and resto businesses around the Batangas area. It is an all-in-one hotel and restaurant management system that is created for an easier and convenient way of satisfying users' demands and wants for lodging and food. It is a program which is made for the purpose of booking, reserving, and ordering food from any of the available hotels or restaurants in the targeted area. This system allows the user to conveniently discover food around the neighborhood and directly order their food cravings online or via mobile.
The Hotel and Resto in Batangas has functions that includes 1. Register a username and password to the website. 2. Logging into the website using the registered email address. 3. After that, they can discover and choose which restaurant and or hotel are available in their area. 4. If they picked a hotel, they would again select which type of room they would like to book as well as the cost of each room. 5. Then, they will complete the required information including the day that they will check in and the number of nights they plan to stay. 6. They can then pay on-site, online, or with a credit card. 7. They will next be questioned about if they plan to make a restaurant reservation as well. 8. If they selected yes, then they can choose the number of people they are going to dine with. 9. Then, users can place an unlimited number of orders for food by checking the box on the menu's left side and entering the quantity they want to order in the box on the right. 10. Once that they are done, the bill will appear and they can pay on-site, online, or with a credit card. 11. Finally, a receipt containing the details of transaction, including the date, the amount paid, and the change if there is any, will be automatically printed.
This program has the following functions starting with number 1 is the Register 1 function. It is one of the functions for logging in which holds the list of information including the username and the password of the user. Number 2 is the Register function. Register function is another function for logging in which holds the format of the home page. Number 3 is the Login function. Login function is a function for logging in which displays the input bar for the user to put his or her username. It was also used to display the texts and image in the login website. Number 4 is the Main function. Main function is a loop function for displaying the home page, including the image background and format of the text after the registration for new users. Number 5, Toggle function. A toggle function allows the user to see their inputted password. This method checks the selected elements for visibility. There is an image of an eye on the right side of the input bar, and when you click it, you will be able to see or to hide the password. Number 6 is the validate _ input open and close parenthesis text function. This function contains the format of the text to be registered in the system. The system allows only alphabet or digits as username and or password. Number 7 is the main S function. Main S function contains the format of the choices of the available hotel rooms registered in the system. Number 8 is the logout function. This function allows the user to exit the website. Number 9 is the single function. Single function contains the format of the single type of room, which includes the room type and its prices.
Number 10. Single deluxe function. Function containing the information of the single deluxe type of room, which includes the room type and the price. Number 11. Double function. Function containing the information of the double type of room, which includes the room type and the price. Number 12. Double deluxe function. Function containing the information of the double deluxe type of room, which includes the room type and the price. Number 13. Book function. Function which contains the information of the users to book their chosen room type in a hotel. Number 14. Back function. Function that allows the users to return to the previous page in the website. Number 15. Con function. This function contains the accepted format of the text or digits that they will input on any of the sections provided. Number 16. Con1 function. These functions allow the users to see the bill before they pay for the fee of the hotel. Number 17. Back1 function. Function that allows the users to return to the previous section. Number 18. Input value function. This function contains the accepted format of the inputted data.
19. Check function. This function checks if the user paid the right amount or not. This will also help to know if the user would like to reserve a seat at the restaurant or not. 20. Seat function. This function displays the 4 choices that the users can choose from for the number of seats for the reservation. 21. SRA function. This function is for the order of 2 people. 22. SRB function. This function is for the order of 3 to 5 people. 23. SRC function. This function is for the order of 6 to 10 people. 24. SRD function. This function is for the order of more than 10 people. 25. Order function. This function displays the menu sections, which includes the dish and the price. 26. Enable function. This function allows the users to select or click the button alongside the dish they want to eat. 27. CP function. This function prohibits the user to input the quantity of their order in the pasta section without clicking the button on the left side of every dish first.
So here are the additional functions that we have on our program. Number 28 on the list is the CB function. This function prohibits the user to input the quantity of their order in the breakfast section without selecting the dish first by clicking the button on the left side. Number 29 is the CA function. This function is the same with the CB function, but this time it's about ordering in the appetizer section. Number 30 is CS function. It is about ordering in the sandwich section. Number 31 is the CIC function. It is the same with the previous function, but this time it's about ordering in the iced coffee section. Number 32 is the CES function. This function is the same with the previous that I mentioned, but this time it's about ordering in the express section. Number 33 on the list is the clear function. This function allows the user to remove all the selected items from their orders. Number 34 is the submit function. This function allows the user to submit their order. And number 35 is the cache function. This function allows the user to see the order's details or the details of the orders, including the bill before they pay their orders.
Number 36, the check one function. This function checks if the user paid the right payment or not. Number 37, the back to function. It is a function that allows the user to return to the previous section. Number 38, the receipt function. These functions allow the user to see the receipt of all things they pay in the hotel. Number 39, the exit one function. This function allows the user to exit the website. Number 40, the receipt one function. This function allows the user to see the receipt of all things they pay in the hotel. And the last function, number 41, the exit two function. This function allows the user to exit the website.
Specifically, our website is made out of 41 functions, and you can base in our paper for the detailed description of each function. And this time, I am going to present to you how our website works and what it looks like after we generate it. So as you can see, here are the interpreters that we will need in order to run this program. And then after we installed it to the system, we can run this program and then this will appear. Then after that, we first need to register our account to the system. Let's say my name. And then submit. So since I already registered my account beforehand, it says that my username already exists. So let's try another one. Well, I can use my account, but in order to show you how it works, I'm going to register another one. Let's say and then submit. Since our register is a success, let's run again and then log our registered account. Log and then password. Let's see if we enter the right letters. Then after we see that everything's correct, we can log in. And then it will ask us between these 4 types of room on which we are going to avail. Let's say double room. And then it will ask how many nights or the date that we are going to stay in the hotel. Let's say 3 nights. And then 22 December 1. Let's continue. And it says that I inputted an invalid year because now it's 2023, so I'm going to change it to 2024. Continue. And then the payment details will appear, so I'm going to pay, let's say, 7,000. And then submit. And then if I pay the right amount, then this message will appear. And then it will ask if you want to reserve a seat in the restaurant. Say yes. And then I want to order for 3 to 5 persons. And then the menu will appear, which has 6 categories. Let's say for breakfast I want butter toast with egg. I'm going to order it for 3 persons, and then sandwich for 2, cappuccino for 3, and then American coffee for 2. And then if I want to change all my orders, I'm going to click this button, and then I'm going to order Caesar salad for 5, and a caramel macchiato for 4, and then iced choco for 1. And then if everything's correct, I'm going to submit it, and then the payment details will appear. So I'm going to pay 2,000, and then going to submit. Let's try if I paid the wrong amount. So it says that insufficient funds, so I'm going to enter 2,000. Submit. and then this message will appear, and then the receipt will printed or appear in our devices, which includes our transactions, the bill, and the change. And then after that, we can exit this website, and then that's all for this program.
Our project is not yet fully developed, and as you notice, we only provided one hotel and one restaurant to demonstrate on how each function works. But we, as the developers and researchers, we do have a wide range of vision for this project. And this project will be fully developed, consumers will no longer need to search for the hotel and restaurant businesses around the area one by one, because we provide an all-in-one website where they can discover businesses that they haven't heard of yet.
Because in Hotel and Resto in Batangas,
We offer
We present.
We provide.
And we satisfy your demands
Because we care.